Hi, this is Dr. Atkins of the Texas Sinus Center. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use saline sprays to keep your nose clean during allergy season. Saline sprays come in multiple different forms, but I'm going to show you the three most popular ones. This is one of the most popular products around. It's a Neomed sinus rinse. And what comes in the box is basically a bottle like this and some individual salt packets. What you do is you fill the bottle up to the line with water, and then you put a salt packet in, swirl it around, and you get salt water. Now the way you use this is you bend over, you squirt it up your nose, blow your nose, squirt it up your nose, blow your nose, and keep doing that back and forth until the bottle's gone. And don't get confused. If we tell you to use it twice a day, it's one whole bottle twice a day. And I will tell you, if you read the instructions and don't listen to my instructions, the instructions say to put it in one side of your nose, tilt your head over, let it go over the top, come out the other side. I personally have a hard time with that, and a lot of my patients do too. So whichever one works for you, the over the top method and then reversing it this way, or the squirting it up and blowing it out, any of those are fine. One of the biggest problems I see when people use this is they squeeze too hard and they're complaining that they get a headache or their ears get full. So if that's happening to you, just back off on the force that you're using on this thing. The other popular method that's similar to this is using a neti pot. The neti pot has a plastic or ceramic container. You put salt water in, you mix it up just like the other device here. It's just instead of squirting it in your nose, you'll take it and tilt it, and it'll use gravity to go in one side of your nose and come out the other. So neti pots are great. It is less pressure if using the other devices giving you headaches and plaguing up your ears. And the last, but perhaps not most effective method, is this Simply Saline. Now, I love this product because it's quick, convenient, and people will use it, okay? It doesn't deliver quite as much saline as the other products, so that's why I think it's probably not quite as effective, but it's very convenient. And the way it works is it's already pressurized. You just hold it and squirt it, and a mist comes out. You use it similar to the other products. You bend over, sniff it up one side of your nose and blow, sniff it up the other side of your nose and blow. Just don't jab this little white top into your nose because it'll scratch it up and you can get a nosebleed. So these are great for on the go. The other ones are great for at home. One of the more common things I'm asked is how often should you use saline sprays? 1 to 2 times a day is pretty average for most patients. If you're really plugged up, use it 3 or 4 times a day. But it's really important to use it after a high pollen exposure. An example, you're out cutting the grass in December, go in and rinse your nose. You're at your ranch clearing brush, go in and rinse your nose. You're barbecuing or outdoors around a fire, you get a lot of pollen and smoke in your nose, go in and rinse your nose. If you can get that stuff out of your nose, your body won't react to it as much. So as much as you want, but 1 to 2 times a day during your bad season is best.